Now, 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 now. Experiment is here. So today we're gonna be making a Jello orange. This is how it'll work. We're gonna cut the orange in half. We have this Despicable Me 3 Jello. This is it. And we will be making the Jello, cutting the orange in half, and pouring the Jello in. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge, leave it in there overnight, and see what it looks like tomorrow. So let's get started. So actually, before we get started, I want to give a big thanks to the King of Random. We did surgery on a grape video because they gave me the idea to do, since they did gummy fruits, instead I'm doing Jello fruits. Okay, now let's officially get started. So first it says on the box to pour the, I'm doing half the recipe, so half the bag, and then 1 cup of boiling water, and mix it together until it most of the powder dissolves. And then we pour the cold water, just 1 cup. A little bit left. And mix it around. And then we'll leave it in there for now. And we're going to cut the orange in half. So that's about half. And then we're going to start kind of scooping the orange out, but we want to leave a little bit in, so then it will taste more like orange. Okay, so you should leave about like that much in. Take a little more out. Like that's good. And then you'll put it in a cup about this size, just like that. And then you'll take the Jello, the orange Jello, and pour it into the orange to fill it up. Then you'll take the orange and bring it to the fridge and let it cool off for about 4 hours. And tomorrow we'll be back to show you more. Okay, hi, I'm back. And today, this is what they looked like. So, it has like, the kind of got on the bottom, but it has like a Jello. The Jello actually worked well. It still smells like orange, which is good. Let's taste it.
Can I smell it?
It tastes pretty good. Oh yeah, so this is my sister Mia. Smell it.
Ooh, it smells good.
And it's like jello-y, and since we left some of the orange in, it tastes a lot like orange. So please subscribe, and I hope you like my channel. Oh, and I forgot to add, you're also able to like cut it with a butter knife, kind of like that.
Cut it like a butter
just
knife.
across, so it looks more like an orange, just like that. And bye. Please remember to subscribe. Dooba-rooba-loo. Dooba-rooba-loo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Da 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 da.